In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include dependencies in Monday.com. This is a powerful feature that can help you streamline your workflow and ensure that everyone on your team is on the same page when it comes to task dependencies and project timelines. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your favorite web browser and navigate to Monday.com. Once there, you'll find the login button prominently displayed on the home page. Click on it, and this will take you to the login interface. Here you have several options for logging in. For our demonstration, let's click on the Google option. This allows you to sign in using your Google account, making the process seamless and more secure. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on your main Monday.com dashboard. On the left-hand side, there's a panel displaying all your boards. Go ahead and select the board where you want to include dependencies. This could be any board that you are currently working on or one that you've recently set up for a project. Click on it to open it up. Once you're on your board, look for the table view. This is where your tasks and their details are organized. On the far right-hand side of the table, you'll see a plus icon. This icon allows you to add new columns to your board. Click on this plus icon, which brings up a menu asking what kind of column you wish to add. In the search bar of the column menu, type the word dependency. You're looking for the dependency column, which is specially designed to track and manage task dependencies. When it appears, click on it to add it to your table. This action integrates a new column that will allow you to link tasks based on their dependencies. Next, you'll need to choose your dependency mode. This step adapts the dependencies feature to suit the specific needs of your project. You might want linear dependencies where one task must finish before another can start, or you might need something more complex. Select the option that best matches your workflow. After selecting your dependency mode, you'll need to decide which column will house the item dependencies. This is usually the column that contains the main items or tasks you're managing. Choose wisely, as this decision will shape how your dependencies are visualized and managed within the board. Finally, after setting everything up, scroll down and click on the Save button. Saving your settings will apply the changes, allowing you to track task dependencies directly on your board. It's that simple. And there you have it. A straightforward way to include dependencies in your Monday.com boards, keeping your projects running smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.